Oh yeah, coming right up to us. There's a buggy right behind him. Oh, I'm gonna take.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is.
So I saw movement back here. Oh. That's strange.
What? Somebody took off?
Yeah, it took off.
Drops right over Kresnik.
Vehicle from the west.
Oh, somebody's moving up on the top of the mountain.
Yep.
Big one. He wrapped around the left side of it.
Do you think they're still on it, or?
I haven't seen him peek since he kind of like wrapped backward away, and then like I think he heard your shots and then backed away.
I landed like 5-6 shots on those guys on the snowmobile.
Yeah. Sounds like they're
Like
getting lit up by somebody.
Oh, I see the guy on the mountain. Yeah. If he stops, I'm gonna headshot him. He came around and then he went back. I think he was just peeking to see.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, he's peeking again. You ready?
Yep.
Oh,
In
God.
there, dude.
Record that. Oh, we did have some fighting west.
Yeah, he was only a knock too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna go thirst. I don't know where that was from. Maybe from the building?
He's running over from big building. He's in the shanties now.
Oh, yep. He's pushed me. What?
Smoking.
So weird.
I mean, they're probably on the rock, right?
Yeah, they've got to be. There's not enough room up there.
So how do we get out? Just follow along the rock along to the right?
Yeah. I'm ready when you are.
Okay.
Yep, still above us. Might have fallen down below us or behind us. Yeah, they did. They're on the ground.
Knocked one.
Okay.
One was still up here.
You knocked one? I
Yeah.
got one too.
Yep.
Okay, you're just looting.
AR suppressor. There's a guy with
oh,
125 right in
Yeah,
front of us.
Yep. Fuck, I missed. Oh, he sees me now.
Two hits on him.
He's to his left.
Thank you. Some reason they fucking both wanted me bad.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down. Probably. I just need one hit and I'm dead. Somebody took a couple cracks at me. I don't know if you heard
Yep.
that. Okay. 35 seconds.
Yeah, do you want to push your way or come around right?
Somebody just cracked again. Let's go your way. I think we gotta get down here.
Yep.
So I don't know if there's a way off out over there. I don't know if we get below these guys.
Knocked one. Throwing a grenade up. Guy on this building right here. Knocked one.
Other one went upstairs. Nope, he's on the front now.
Throwing another grenade in. The other guy's behind the building. I'm gonna push.
Okay.
Yeah, they're both back here. Both down.
Okay.
More
Guy-
steps.
Got him. Only two up.
.285.
Yep.
Gotta heal real quick.
Okay.
Got knocked. There's a guy owning this rock on me. Got a couple shots into him. The other guy's pushing now in between the two rocks. Atta boy, dude. Man,
Yeah, boy.
that felt clean.
Oh yeah,
Is that our first game?
that was our first game. You had 4 kills, but you had more damage than me, and I had 9 kills.